In this video, I will share secret truths about women that are known by very few men, and furthermore, some of them might surprise you, going against what you might think. How often do we hear that women are incomprehensible? No matter how developed a man is, it is very common for him to have difficulty understanding how a woman thinks and feels. Similarly, women, no matter how developed they are, may find it challenging to comprehend men's thought processes. This can impact the interaction with a specific woman and, consequently, affect the process of conquest. However, there is nothing incomprehensible or mystical about women. It's just a matter of knowledge, like any other, requiring study and information gathering. I am literally here to decipher this for you and reveal 3 secret truths about women. Let's get straight to the point. The first truth is that women also take initiative in relationships. What does this mean? There is a widespread belief that the role of women in a relationship or any potential involvement with a man is almost non-existent. It seems like women don't need to do anything, and relationship options simply present themselves automatically. On the other hand, it is believed that if a man doesn't take any action, he will end up with no one. Here's the surprising fact: a significant number of women also find themselves without options, with empty WhatsApp and feeling a bit discouraged. Yes, women also initiate attraction moves, and there is an active feminine role at the beginning of a relationship. Many think that this is an exclusively male responsibility, especially when it comes to approaching and starting a conversation. However, it is important to recognize a whole historical construction around this. So, this step of taking initiative in an interaction between a man and a woman, let's say it's step 2. Step 1 is attraction, and when we talk about attraction, even in a biological context, if we compare it with other animals, the role of attracting tends to be the females. So, why do women invest so much in appearance, dressing well, taking care of hair, face, makeup? Why do women invest so much in this? Because they know, consciously or unconsciously, that it brings results, that it has an effect in attracting men. This can be observed not only in how a woman takes care of her appearance but also in how women post more on social media and care more about the aesthetics of their photos. And you might think, I get it, that's true, but women do that. Even so, women dress up a lot, post on social media. Does that mean women attract men? And how come there are women who are without contacts? Well, here's the thing: the women you see are the ones making those moves. They are the women who, for example, installed the dating app, chose good photos, are vain, take care of their appearance, have an active profile on social media, and post regularly. Flirting often happens in their stories. The women you see are these women. When you go to a bar, the women you find in a bar, at a party, or in a club are the women who frequent those places. However, there is a good number of women who are not in those environments, who do not use dating apps, do not go to bars or clubs, have an Instagram but hardly post. And if they hardly post, they won't have that broad range of followers saying they're beautiful, wonderful, because they are not making moves to attract that male attention. And I don't mean here that we are talking about a specific profile of a woman who has nothing, does not use dating apps, has no social media, does not go to bars or clubs. No, of course not, but there is a good number of women who have these elements less expressively or who frequent these environments with low frequency. These are women who, in general, don't have the patience to be on dating apps either because they had a bad experience or don't like the dynamics. They are women who don't see the point in posting much on social media, are busy working, studying, and don't enjoy bars and parties much, or have a more morning-oriented profile, waking up early for activities like a morning run. Anyway, these women, if you are in the environments I described, places where many women usually don't frequent, there is this attraction dynamic. You won't see these women, you won't have access to these more discreet profile women, what I call low profile. So, if you go on Instagram and only see profiles of women who appear to have many followers, posting body photos, know that this is not the only profile of a woman that exists. There are many others. These more discreet women, with a low profile, don't appear to you, especially on social media. The women who become popular and have many followers, with men hitting on them, are those who have done things to have a profile to attract that kind of attention. This does not represent all women worldwide. Many women of value are less present on social media. These women often lack clarity on how relationship dynamics work, which precisely leads to having few or no contacts. Hey, everyone! Before we continue with the amazing content I've prepared for you, I want to make a special request. If you're enjoying, if you've already learned something new, or if you're having fun, please consider supporting the channel. How? It's simple, just click on the subscribe button down there. That way, you won't miss any of the incredible videos I'm preparing. Let's build a strong community full of positive energy together. So, don't waste time, hit that subscribe button now, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for the support, everyone. The second truth about women is that they also seek information about you. Most men think that what is happening in the interaction with the woman is only what they perceive, see, or know, but that is a strong misconception. When a woman is genuinely interested, she seeks information to find out if you are a man worth investing in and giving space. In practice, this means she checks your social media profile, sees who you follow, analyzes your interests, and looks for information about your romantic past. She tries to understand if what you say is congruent with what she discovers about you. Women are more meticulous in seeking information about a man than the other way around. Men tend to be more carefree in this regard. So, be aware that women are attentive and try to understand who you are beyond the surface. Women tend to be more cautious, seeking more emotional security than men. This trend is related to women's nature. Therefore, my advice is to observe what you communicate through your social media because a significant part of the first impression people have of each other is formed by observing a person's social network. If you want to attract a woman of value, be aware that many women evaluate a man's personality through his online presence. I've seen reports of women completely giving up on a man when they opened his profile and observed the people he followed. Men who follow a large number of women's profiles and like photos that expose the body may lose their value in the eyes of women of value. These women see such behaviors as a preview of what a possible relationship would be like. Many women have traumatic experiences in this regard, so it's essential to carefully filter who you follow, especially if you're seeking a relationship with a woman of value. Keep this in mind, a woman interested in you, especially a woman of value, will seek information that brings emotional security to her. She feels emotionally secure to move forward with a man when she perceives that he is honorable. Here is the importance of understanding and building the pillar of honor to establish a relationship with a woman of value. Understanding and incorporating this principle can be crucial to building a solid foundation in a meaningful relationship. The third truth that few men imagine about women: they also expect sexual tension in a conversation. This specific point is a significant taboo because many men have the impression that only they possess sexual desire. However, this is not true. Men signal this desire much more than women, who often hide it for fear of being negatively judged. We all, as human beings, possess the impulse of desire by nature. The difference is that women tend to hide their desire more. If you are an intelligent and strategic man, you will understand that activating a woman's desire is one of the best ways to enhance her interest in you. Creating sexual tension can transform her initial interest, which was a kind of curiosity, into a significant interest. Few things are as powerful as sexual impulse, and a man who knows how to activate this desire in a well-calibrated way facilitates the flow of interactions more intensely and quickly. The big secret here lies precisely in calibration. Awakening sexual tension does not necessarily mean explicitly talking about sex. It is, indeed, addressing the topic when you already have that space and openness from the woman, either because you have already been together or she has shown interest in that kind of conversation. There is a subtle way to awaken sexual attention with words so that the woman feels desire for you as a man and still feels respected. That was today's video. Leave a like and subscribe. Share it. Big hug and goodbye.